Hey YouTube, Bubbly Noah here, and I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. So what you first need to do is put all of the Legos in order because I need stuff to be in order. Hold on. Okay, now you see all the pieces you need here. You need 4 of these, 2 of these bad babies. This isn't supposed to be here. You need 2 of these bad babies, 1 of these bad babies. This could be one of these bad babies. You can use this bad baby, 3 of these bad babies, this bad baby, and this bad baby from a Bionicle. Now, the first thing you need to do is just put these on here. This will be the centerpiece for your butterfly knife. And now with this, hold on, let's do this one first. You put this one right here. And you put this right here. This is so it can attach when, like, this is so you can close it, you know? So like that. Oh wait, hold on. Stop, I'm trying to show people how to make a butterfly knife.
That's all he's waiting.
Blah 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 blah.
I'm trying to make a video, can you not? Actually, no, I don't like this. They both need to be gray.
This is the blade.
That's the blade.
I go. Shink, shink,
Shink, shink.
Jordan! Jordan!
Jordan! Wait.
Dude, stop.
Oh, wait, wrong thing. And this needs to be black. Okay, put the camera on here. So this is how it should look. This is how it should look before you put these bad babies in. Okay? Okay, now you can attach this bad baby in. I like saying bad baby if you can't tell.
I'm a bad baby.
My mom said that I was really bad at it. I would say goo goo gaga followed by the F word. I was a bad baby. Okay, so now we're gonna start making the blade. Okay, hey, put it down here. Put it down here. Put this in here. It looks funny, doesn't it? Okay. Now I put this in.
Yeah, I got your face.
Hey, we're not focusing on Jordan. Okay.
That's Jordan Diamartage.
Okay,
He goes
now
to Poly High School.
Now we put the blade in. And now you got a butterfly knife. Get out of here, honey.
Okay, that video needs to We
Okay,
need to redo that.
this is how you close it. If you want to open it, you just, you know what? Leave this out.
No, I'm not. That's one punch.
What?